is precision and accuracy everything? Well, it literally is everything. Because we practice. Why do we practice? Well, to become good at something. Well, then what are you trying to become good at? Well, let's say it's legato. So how do you play legato in a very cool, very nice way? Like when it's legato, when it's actual hammer-ons and pull-offs that sound great, right? When are you doing that? When you're being precise and accurate. So no, I'm focusing on speed. But what is it that you want to play fast? Well, legato. Well, what is legato? It's precision and accuracy. And legato, more than anything else, is hitting the string in the right place with the right part of the fingertip, right? And you know, doing the pick strokes or the whatever you use to produce the pick strokes in the most delicate way. Not too loud, not too, you know. So that's precision and accuracy, everything. And so once you do that and you focus on precision and accuracy over and over again, thousands and millions of times as you practice then what happens is you become fast. Because whatever you do in a very precise and accurate way with no thought on speed, and you do it a lot of times, you become extremely fast at it, and then you can do it unconsciously almost, right? While you're sleeping or driving a car, just brushing your teeth and having a conversation while you do it because you're not thinking about it anymore. And the same thing goes here. That in order to take something to the highest level, then what is it that you're taking to the highest level when it comes to speed? Well, it's a crappy technique because you didn't focus on precision and accuracy. So can you now play legato really fast? No. You can play kind of a monstrous, non-optimal, version of legato that sounds something like legato when you're using a lot of distortion or whatever, right? That's what you're good at now. So you're good at something not good. Doesn't make sense. So that, in alternate picking, what is alternate picking? Well, it's picking consistently up and down, right? How do you do that? Well, you have to be extremely consistent. You have to have a consistent picking depth. You have to have a consistent picking motion. Of course you do, because that's what alternate picking is. This is not alternate picking. That's just looking funny, right? So precision and accuracy is everything. It's also the way to everything else. It's the way to speed. Because what is it that you want to play very, some people say, I'm going to focus on speed and then I'm going to clean my technique up afterwards. That is the most insane statement in guitar development. So you're going to practice something while making a lot of mistakes and having a lot of inaccuracies in it. And then you're going to be extremely good, millions of repetitions of something that you're not very good at. So you have tons of mistakes in there. So you become extremely good at making tons of mistakes. And then you're going to clean it up afterwards. That is unlearning something first and then learning the right thing. That's idiotic. It's stupid, right? Let's call it what it is. Those words, idiotic and stupid, are there for a reason. This is the reason. Cleaning it up, right? And you can hear top players say stuff like that. So don't fall into the trap of believing something like that. Focus on precision and accuracy, and the more precise and more accurate you are, the better your technique becomes. And you avoid straining yourself and getting all kinds of cramps and and finger pains, and because when you're precise and accurate, when are you that, when you're relaxed? You can only be precise and accurate when you're absolutely relaxed. Like, right? And as soon as you start pushing it or tensing up, then you're not precise anymore. Right? Because you're trying to make something happen that you cannot do. Right? But moving your hand extremely fast, right? Or whatever it is. So it's the perfect aim to have. It's the perfect focal point in your practice. Precision and accuracy. See you in the next video.